Did you know there are three types of compound words? The first we're going to go over, you're probably the most familiar with. That is closed compound words. Closed compound words are made when we take two words and we smush them together to make a new word with no space in between. For example, we have backpack. Back is a part of your body or a direction you can go in, and pack is something you do before you go on a trip. But together, they are referring to the item where you keep all of your school supplies. There's no space in between them, so they do create a new word. However, not all compound words create a new word with no space. Open compound words also have two words coming together to refer to a new object or idea. But there is a space in between your two words. They still work together to refer to the new idea or item. For example, ice is made when you freeze water. Cream is made when you churn butter. But together, they create the delicious treat, delicious sweet treat that is great to have on a hot summer day, ice cream. But it's important when we're spelling it to know that there is a space in between them, even though they work together to create one idea or item. The last kind of compound word we're going to look over today is hyphenated compound words. So again, we still take two words and we put them together and they're referring to a new idea or object, but they're separated by a hyphen. That's this line. First refers to the beginning of a sequence. Rate is what you do to tell someone how well or not well you liked something. You can rate your stay with 5 stars. To say that something is first rate means you'd like to rate it first. That means it is the best. You want to give it all the stars. But we have to remember when we come across a hyphenated word, we have to remember when we're spelling it later to include that hyphen. The next time that you are reading, take a look and see if you find any of our other kinds of compound words. I bet you've seen them without realizing you've come across them. Here are some other examples. Popcorn is closed. High school is open. There's a space. Hyphenated compound words, you actually use a lot of them in math when you're dealing with fractions. 1/2 has a hyphen in between 1 and half.